And listen, God can't do anything with you or through you if you have very low self-esteem about yourself. You can't achieve excellence not believing in yourself. So as much as it is good to believe in God, you must believe in God's ability through you. Because he put it there in the first place. 1 Samuel chapter 17, verse 28 and 29. Again, there's battle to be fought. Eliab, who for 40 days, none of them has moved to do anything about the problem. Eliab, when he heard that David was talking to the men, he was angry at David. Why did you come here? Whom did you leave those few sheep with in the wilderness? I know thy pride. The man is confident in his ability and you're saying he's proud. And you are a naughty boy, arrogant. You came to see the battle. Next verse. What have I now done? Is there not a cause? Next verse. He turned away from him. Turn away from anybody that puts you down. Turn away from anybody that tells you that dream, it is too much. He turned from them. You're my brother, but I turn away from you. I shouldn't be listening to you. I shouldn't be taking advice or counsel from you. He turned away from him. Listen, if God has told you do it, it doesn't matter who doesn't believe it. Do it. You just must have confidence in yourself. Scripture says all things are possible for God. But I can't remember where. I think it's in Mark 9:20. It says all things are possible to him that believeth.